In tonight's health report, TVJ's Shamela Pullen looks at the cost of cancer treatment in Jamaica and the impact on families, and the stories told by the daughter of former broadcaster Doreen Samuels, who passed away recently.
The health report. Meet Melissa Rickards. Miss Rickards is the daughter of former broadcaster Doreen Samuels Binger, who recently died after a short battle with pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer is a type of cancer that starts in the pancreas. The pancreas is an organ located in the abdomen. It plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body. Ms. Rickards explains that her mother was diagnosed with the deadly disease in 2017.
Well, it's been a journey of 2 years. She was complaining of discomfort, thinking, oh, it's just a nervous stomach. She, continued to go about her business. But I insisted. I said, something is not right. We need to go check it out. And I insisted, and that's when the journey started.
In addition to the emotional, physical, and psychological toll it had on the family, there was also the financial burden. Treatment for pancreatic cancer may include surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or a combination of these. But Ms. Rickards says her mother's cancer was too advanced, so she was unable to do surgery. But she did chemotherapy and radiation therapy, which cost them millions.
But for the most part, you are looking at close to $500,000 per treatment. And a treatment is every 2 weeks, based on, so you're looking on that over 2 years. And after a while, insurance, you get less coverage. You had to be footing more and more out of pocket.
Over the years, the government has been playing its part in providing cancer care in Jamaica. However, Ms. Rickards feels more needs to be done to subsidize the cost.
I think more persons would be able to take advantage of this care, because it's really persons that can come with this. It's not easy, and everyone should get that opportunity to have at least the basic care, because to me that is basic. Chemotherapy, the first time somebody talk about cancer, everybody talking about chemotherapy, and it's not cheap.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.